Hello guys, Dönitz, and today we're going to continue our series of Red Flood. Today against the accelerationists threat, not the Red Flood. And here we are where we left off. We must defeat the French, or Les Tat-Irel, as they are called now. He just threw 5 divisions! Oh, now he's attacking me too. Very nice. Where is this? Oh, that's in Lyon. Well, I don't need it there, but I appreciate it. Oh. At least like here we're gonna make a little encirclement up here north. We should be able. Maintenance company, finally we got that. We got Montpellier. I think that's how it's called. Depth charge thrower, thank you. Oh yes, wartime effort. Yes. Postmark. That's a real territory. Okay. Wait, what does this give me? Political polyarchy support, why not? Recruitable population, yes, I need recruitable population. Up, run, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Okay, it's too late. Let's go down. Avignon, that's Avignon. Yes. Okay, they pushed me from Avignon. I know a little bit of French. Je m'appelle Karl Dönitz. Je suis a YouTuber. What? Okay, let's not attack for now. Oh yes, I have planes. I forgot about that. Literally. That's the old model. Oh fuck, I don't have manpower. I forgot about that too. I have 1 million in the field. And still these divisions are Still regrouping. Or trying to regroup. Wait. No, I got an idea. You see this? What if I just... Oh hell nah, hell no. You stay there. Attack, 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 attack. You. No, please, no, 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 not yet. Oh, thank God. What? Why did you stop attacking? Who gave you the order to stop? Wait. Ah, one French division is going away. Okay, thank you. Let's go. Yes, artillery got upgraded. That's very good. Let's go with this. Oh, of course, of course. Always the Italians. Come on! We can do it. Yes, we did it. We encircled French-Italian army. Oh yes! Yes, 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 yes. This is good news, guys. We got the manpower that we needed. Let's build some fuel silos. An island. With that, we're going to build some what are they called? Dockyards, yes. And with that, probably not now. Let's expand our. Oh yes, now that this is. Why don't we just go like this? Yes, that should fix it. Let's go slowly. If you want to escape, I'm sorry, but that's not possible. Just not possible. You won't escape. Becomes I'm here. And Switzerland is here too. Or Helvetic Fellowship, now that they are called that. Play something normal now. Really? Huh, you don't know what's music. Modern Blitzkrieg or Volkssturm? Volkssturm, why not? Let's go with Volkssturm. Okay, I think... what is it called? Wait here. Okay, soon there should be some music that's much better for our victorious German Republic. Oh, now I can go with the planes. First train. That's like whole French army, one French army. Like in that pocket we're going to... Oh my god, 1 million casualties to them. 500,000 to us. We made some to Hungarians too. They lost. Avignon, we're going to capture Avignon and then Marseille. Marseille. But first we need to destroy this. Okay, let's look. 1.81. Let's see how many will die in this pocket. Where are you going, Erika? And that's how many... Oh, that wasn't that much, but it was something. 38 to them. Ethiopian state. Wow, Hungarians. They are something else. Caribbean futuriste. I see who are the... Yes. France is going to collapse soon. Let's go to Avignon. And then yes, that's what I was talking about. Let's go. Let's go. If we are not going to take it. Yes, they left it. Why are there British? Why are there British in Nice? Another pocket! Now of the Italians. Don't worry guys, soon we're going to make our navy. Our navy is going to be greatest than even the British. Let's go to Torino. Let's go to Torino. Not this. But we can listen to this too. If you know this music, then you are Chad. You're watching anime. Aha, where do you think you're going? Torino is ours. Yes, capture this one. Oh, you four probably can go here. Then I'm going to make a new. We're going to Bologna, Firenze, Perugia, and Livorno. Now that the French are away, French are dealt with, we can focus on Italy and retaking Vienna, which is hard. Wait, what if we just capture this? Battle for Vienna. Ballistic computer. Yes, always the best. Oh, what do you think you're doing? Let's go! This is looking good, guys! This is the best! Let's tirare! Okay, one... What is this? Oh my god, this is Italian. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Let's split this. And we retook Vienne. Vienne is ours back again. Back in our hands. And as this, let's go with army training. We're going to train our Panzer Grenadiers. 20. Yeah, like this, 22. I'm going to rename them each one by one. Because where are those? Yes, Panzer Grenadier Division. Okay, let's build some riders in Berlin, Hamburg, Vienne too. Well, I think the biggest threat to Germany is Russia now. Because they are allied with the traitors in Prussia, and they will probably declare war on us any day now. Well, not any day now, but they will declare war after this war, I think. Yes, we're in Firenze, Perugia too, and Livorno. Bologna is ours too. Oh, oh ho ho! Let's go guys, let's go! Passive sonar? Oh ho ho, no, we need sonar. As soon as he moved. Okay, reorganization, okay? It's Christmas Day actually, look at that. 1942, 24th of December. What a nice date. For us. Even though we lost half million people, we're still doing fine. French military, the accelerationists. Oh, look at that. That's San Marino. We're going to Venezia. And now we are going to Sicilia. Or Sicily just. Oh, it is actually Sicilia. Then we're going to make sure that we're going to take Sarajevo and Venezia. Oh, very good, you're trained. Let's go. Oh, we're killing 4 of them. A little encirclement in here. A bigger encirclement in Venezia. Oh, wait, this is not German music. What is it? Videos. Let's go with this one. Another encirclement, yes. Oh, look at that. Pienska division. Very nice. Very nice. Where are you going? Go, attack, to Fiume! Oh, of course, Hungary is. $1,000 to our Denmark. Wait, you have a border? Non-discriminatory conscription. See, let's make some. But we will need more artillery. Oh, Civitas Leonida. Roma, we liberated Rome. What about... Oh, they will not give me anything. We need at least to take this. What about this? Can you take it? Cadet, they're in Napoli. Oh, thank you for 19 divisions. You know where I'm going to send them? Yes. Edward Deitel. Go there. Attack south! Let's go! This is the best. National Republic has capitulated. Oh ho! What the fuck? That Gustav is in water! I'm in America. If only I had ships. That I do not have. That's aggressive, yes.
Back when I started Albion Online, I was kind of worried about how to play. Afraid I might make the wrong choices. You know, what role do I choose? What's the best class? But then I started playing, and there were no classes. I could play whatever I wanted and create my own combat style. Each piece of equipment.
Budapest is free! Budapest is free! I repeat, Budapest is free!
When I'm exploring Albion.
And we have captured Budapest. Let's go south to Belgrade!
Other players.
Don't give me Albion ads. Who wants that? Really, Albion ads. Fuck, let me. Something happy. We're in Zagreb. To Sarajevo! And Hungary has capitulated. But who is the... Irish Republic, what the fuck? Let's go with this. Yes. Let's go with atomic research. We're quite late, but doesn't matter. Let's go to Novi Pazar, then to Tirana! Yes, yes, let's go! Yes! Oh, I like this. Delete these orders. So, you like that. Boom. You like this. Boom. Let's go. Let's go! What the fuck? That's Albania, yes. Yes, that is Albania. Let's go to Sofia! And then Varna. And then Burgas. And then Plovdiv. Woohoo! We're winning, ha 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 ha. And yes, guys, I won the competition. Well, the first round actually. In Nothing, literally nothing here channel. Yes, under Tony Pro is really a Tony, and he's my favorite YouTuber. Salute to him. Okay, now we're going to the semi-finals with my focus icon, and I hope that I'm going to win it. Probably not, but at least I tried. Okay. You capitulated, let's go here. United Resistance. What do I have there? Military governor, okay. For propaganda, this. Enemy bombing. I'll give you bombing. Let's go with weapons free. Yugoslavia has capitulated to us again. And the war is over. The war is over, guys. The war is over. For that, what the fuck, 9999? Well, I'm going to select mainland France because I conquered it. Nobody can claim it now. Like this, I think. Really? You want that? Yeah. Try me. Can I take Norwegian state? That's all what I actually want. Maybe Irish Republic too? What if I just take these two? Wait. What the fuck, guys? I took Did you see that? I took territory from Netherlands actually. Let's confirm an exit. Treaty of Leauge. Treaty of Leauge. Everything was annexed. Look at that, I took.
Back when I started Albion Online, I was kinda worried about how to play. Afraid I might make the wrong choices. You know, what role do I choose? What's the best class?
I have been embargoed by them.
And there were no
Like I
classes.
care.
I could play whatever I wanted and create my own.
Oh please, no more Albion. Something other. Now let's decide the fate of Luxembourg. We're going to give it to ourselves. The fate of France. Very nice. Let's partition the mainland France. Let's look at this. Joseph Dernot. Brittany again. Luke Evans. Really? Let's go. Fate of Italy. Let's release an independent Italy. Ambrogio Mambreti. Let's go with Hungary. Liberate Hungary. Hungarian National Republic. Andre Miklos Horthy. Fate of Serbia. We must liberate them. It's Kingdom of Serbia. Zvedanovic. Fate of Albania. Restore Albania. Fate of Norway. Let's establish a sovereign Norway. Kingdom of Norway. There's still a lot to do. Wallonia? Ah, you mean this Wallonia? Let's go with Walloon Free State. Lorraine. Lotharingen, Lorraine Française. Now, military occupation is the only answer. Western Transylvania, well, let's give it to our Hungarian friends. For now, west of North African Federation? That's interesting. Let's give it to our French ally. Fate of Croatia. We must liberate them now under Republic Sismundo Mihailovic. Fate of Bulgaria. We must liberate them. Bulgarian Republic. Bogdan Filov. Bosnia. Give it to Croatia. Montenegro. Should we abort them? Oh no, let's liberate them too. Pozidar Arendovic. Carpathian Ruthenia. Nope. Sorry, but I'm giving that to Slovakia. Hehe. Okay, so that's okay. Well, let's move our armies. Our next target is actually Romania. What? United Technites of America. But fate of Alsace. No, it belongs to us. Banat. Let's go with you. Fate of Dalmatia. Let's go with Republic of Croatia for now. Tunisia. Let's give it to our Italian allies. Western Banat. Yes. East Serbia. Like this. Yes. Fate of Istria. We'll integrate these lands. Fate of Srem. Let's give it to Croatia. Vojvodina. Let's go with Hungary. Place de Calais. Lowland ally. Yes. And fate of Pirot. Pirot? Where's Pirot? Pirot. Oh, there. Let's go give it to Bulgaria. Now that Let's go with you to Petrograd. Let's see what do they have. Let's go with partial mobilization for now. Frankfurt, it is its own city actually. Not you. If we ever get pushed by this faction, this is the Pact of Blood. In this new world, we rule. Well, not all Europe is under us, but we shall make them under us. Don't you mind me? Yes, this is much better. What is that? Macedonia, right? Okay. So now we're declaring war against them, right? Okay, let's prepare our armies. Okay, okay, I see. Oh fuck, we don't even have guns. Come on, let's go. Now that I have one, don't know what does that mean. No, that would be cheating. That would be cheating. Okay, I don't want to cheat. Oops. Can I like copy and paste like this? How to find this video? Don't mind this, please. Yes. Okay. Wait here again. Okay, I'm back. Unreadable string. Boom. Port. This is technology. And I have to repeat this. Okay, time run. Streamlined line, very good. Construction 3. I mean 5. Yes, Navy training. I want the best destroyers ever. Iron Fisted Brute. Porsche is going to make our tanks. If we are going to ever build tanks. Bomb department, why not? I can afford it now. Backhand blow. Well, I'm not going to help you. Your accelerator. Oh yes, what do I wanted? Oh, before that, you're actually 23rd and you're 24th. Boom. Boom. You're just watching me do this. Okay, last 3. Boom. Boom. And boom. Okay. And that's a whole army of Panzer Grenadiers. Erwin Rommel with his infantry squad. Okay, what's the time? Ah, 47 minutes. Okay, 47 minutes. Okay, when 48 will come, we're going to end this video. Kurdistan, really? Kurdistan. Must liberate our German brothers in the east. These are the puppet of Russia. They are not allies, they are puppets. Controlled by the Russian government, and we will have to secure let's train 48 divisions. New operative, really? Nero, you're called Nero. Anyway guys, okay, I will end it soon. 30 May, 31st May. I don't need to build this surplus. We have formed a department. Okay guys, so I will see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one because we defeated Leauge Solar. And now we have to defeat a bigger threat, Birkenite. Let's do that. Okay, I'll see you later guys. Bye bye.